Last problem. Well done. You made it. Number 27. Function f is defined by f of x equals negative a to the power of x plus b, where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals f of x minus 15 has a y-intercept of 0 and negative 99/7. Oh, what a lovely fraction that is. The product of a and b is 65/7. What is the value of a? This isn't as horrible as it might seem at first glance. I admit, when I see these ones where they have negative 99/7, come on. But let's really look at what they're telling us. Okay, so we have f of x, and it's equal to negative a to the power of x plus b. And then y, which is equal to f of x minus 15. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put this f of x in here, since that's what y is equal to. It's that minus 15. Okay, so I've got my negative a to the power of x plus b, and I've still got that minus 15. Okay. Now we're told that this has a y-intercept of 0 and negative 99/7. I don't really care that that's the y-intercept. I care that it's an x and a y value that I can plug in here, and it will be true. And I'm also told, finally, that the product of a and b is 65/7. Okay, so that's something else I know. I know a times b is 65/7. I'll leave that over here on the side for now. Then let's go back to our number, and let's plug these in for x and y and see what we get. First, when I plug it in for x, well, actually, let's just put that weirdo negative 99/7 there for y. So weird. Then I'm going to put in 0 for my x. And this is going to work out lovely because any number to the power of 0 is just 1. So negative a to the power of 0 is negative 1. Hey, and now my a is gone. Isn't that lovely? When the a is gone, let me get rid of this from the last problem over there. I can clean that up. There we go. When we have that negative 1 plus b minus 15, and so now I have negative 1 and negative 15. I can combine those. So I just have b minus 16. Isn't that nice? B minus 16 is equal to negative 99/7. So, what a fraction. All right, so 16, I'm going to keep this in sevenths because this is one of those problems where you have to plug in your answer. So they're not going to accept a mixed number for my answer. It has to be an improper fraction or a decimal. So I'm going to convert that 16 into sevenths, that negative 16 into sevenths. 16 times 7 is 112. So this is negative 112 sevenths. So I'm going to add 112 sevenths to both sides. All right, and 112 sevenths plus negative 99 sevenths is 13 sevenths. Okay, so b is equal to 13 sevenths. And now this comes into play. A times b equals 65 sevenths. And I know now that b is 13 sevenths. And it equals 65 sevenths. And you can solve this in your calculator, or you can just do it manually here. To get rid of this 13 sevenths, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, and I do that on both sides. And I'm running out of room again. I always write too big. If you watch the channel, you know this about me. So let me write it a little more nicely. I'm multiplying by 7/13. So over on the left-hand side, all I'm left with is a, because those 7/13 and 13 sevenths cancel out. On the right side, those sevens cancel out, and I am left with 65/13. Or it could have canceled again if you happen to know that 65 divided by 13 is a 5. So I could have done that actually right here, 5 and 1 Either way, I am going to get to the fact that 65 divided by 13, or 5 divided by 1, is 5, which is my value of A, and that is my answer. Yeah, I bet you didn't think we were going to get to 5 when we start with negative 99/7, but here we are, and you have finished! Woohoo! Congratulations! Hey guys, just a quick heads up, I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.